Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. https://regi.biz/team-view/alexandr-ovsyannikov. Exploring London's luxury real estate. A comprehensive guide for international buyers and investors in under-construction apartments. Chapter 5 of 7. Read the beginning in Chapter 4. Chapter 5. Additional costs and taxes. When purchasing an apartment in a London building under construction, it's essential to be aware of the additional costs and taxes associated with the transaction. These expenses can significantly impact the overall cost of your property, and understanding them is crucial for financial planning. In this chapter, Real Estate Group will review the major additional costs and taxes you may encounter. Section 1. Stamp duty. Stamp duty, officially known as Stamp Duty Land Tax (SDLT), is a tax levied on property transactions in England. The amount you pay depends on the purchase price of the property, and there are different thresholds. 1. Zero rate band. Zero rate band. As of 2023, properties worth up to £425 were subject to stamp duty at zero rate if you are buying the property for the first time and, for residential purposes, this threshold is subject to change, so you should check with the UK government for up-to-date rates. 2. Rates for properties worth more than £425,000. If the property is worth between £425,000 and £625,000, you will pay 5% stamp duty on the share in excess of £425,000. Please note that you are entitled to this relief if you are a first-time buyer. If the price exceeds £625,000, you cannot claim the relief and will have to follow the rules for people who have bought a property before. The rates gradually increase as the value of the property rises. 3. Additional rates. For second homes and buy-to-let properties, higher stamp duty rates apply. This is known as the Additional Dwelling Supplement. 4. Stamp duty calculation. To calculate the exact amount of stamp duty you'll owe, consider using an online stamp duty calculator, or consult with a financial advisor who can provide you with accurate figures based on the most current tax rates. Section 2. Legal fees. Engaging a solicitor or conveyancer to handle the legal aspects of your property purchase is essential. Legal fees can vary depending on the complexity of the transaction and the rates charged by your chosen legal professional. These fees typically cover services such as 1. Title searches. Your solicitor will conduct title searches to ensure that the property's title is clear and that there are no legal issues affecting it. 2. Conveyancing. This process involves the legal transfer of property ownership, including drafting and reviewing contracts and ensuring all legal requirements are met. 3. Stamp duty filing. Your solicitor will also assist with the submission of stamp duty returns to the Revenue and Customs. 4. Land registry fees. These fees cover the cost of registering the property in your name with the land registry. Section 3. Maintenance and service charges. As the owner of an apartment in a building under construction, you will be responsible for ongoing maintenance and service charges. These costs typically cover various services and maintenance of communal areas, including 1. Building maintenance. Regular upkeep and repairs to the building structure and common areas. 2. Cleaning and security. Services like cleaning, security, and maintenance of shared spaces like hallways, elevators, and courtyards. 3. Management fees. The fees associated with the management of the building, including property management services. 4. Ground rent. Some leasehold properties require payment of ground rent to the landlord or freeholder. 5. Sinking fund. A sinking fund is an account set up for future maintenance and repairs. Contributions to this fund may be part of your ongoing charges. Section 4. Exchange rate fluctuations for international buyers. If you're an international buyer, you'll need to consider exchange rate fluctuations when budgeting for your property purchase. Changes in exchange rates between your home currency and the British pound can significantly impact the overall cost of your property. It's important to 1. Monitor exchange rates. Keep an eye on currency exchange rates and consider strategies to mitigate risks, such as currency hedging. 2. Consult financial advisors. Seek advice from financial professionals who can help you make informed decisions regarding currency exchange. 3. Plan ahead. Be prepared for potential fluctuations and factor them into your budget to ensure you have the necessary funds for your property purchase. Understanding these additional costs and taxes is vital for a comprehensive understanding of the financial aspects of buying an apartment in a London building under construction. It's crucial to plan and budget carefully to avoid any surprises during the property purchase process. Consulting with financial and legal professionals can provide valuable guidance throughout this journey. Read the continuation in Chapter 6 soon. Looking to buy property in London? Write to us on WhatsApp +7.9 77.3 76.5 4.28 and we will select the best options for you.